wanna know how I did the Ellen Joe edit? Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how I did the Ellen Joe edit. Like, I didn't know this got much more views than my other hard edits. By the way, as promised, if this video gets 1K views like this one, I'll be creating another tutorial video edit. Let's go get it. So, open up the Capcut and click on the new project. Select the Ellen Joe clip that you wanted to edit. Credits to AKKOMDASTRO. Now, I want you to search up remove BG, press it and select Chroma key. After that, press color picker and aim the color to her hair color pink. Adjust the intensity you like. Next step, you have to duplicate the clip or add another one. Once you've done that, make sure to press the clip you Chroma key and click overlay, then move it below the other duplicated video. Time for the effects. Search up nightclub and there you can find the colorful. Expand it to the start and end, then adjust the speed to a 100. Once done, duplicate the effect, go to lens and search edge glow. Adjust the glow to 100. After that, duplicate the effect and search up texture in video effects and click dot silk screen. Adjust the filter of the dot silk screen to 0. You can add some nice video effects like ripple, wide range, and more. Export it to 1080p resolution, frame rate to 60, and code rate to high. Create another project and select the new clip. Export it to 1080p resolution, frame rate to 60, and code rate to high. Also guys, you could add graphs to the edit like zoom in and out to make it cooler. Well, that's about it guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching and learned something to this tutorial video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye.